Okay, this is a quick little tutorial to show you how to delete the keychain that is causing so many of you to not be able to get into Premiere, Photoshop, etc. There are 3 steps. I'm going to show you how to quit. You have to quit Adobe Creative Cloud, search for the Keychain app and launch it, and then select and delete everything from underneath Secure Notes. So that's what we're about to do. And that's been popping up very frequently for you guys. What you need to do, I can't demo it on this screen, I'll bring it over, is you need to go up to launch your Creative Cloud from up here. There it is. Okay. And then when you're in Creative Cloud, step 1, you have to quit Creative Cloud to make sure that's not running. If this didn't happen as part of the previous program, could be why the problem has recurred. So closing that should make it more successful, hopefully completely. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to go to your Spotlight search and you need to type Keychain, and it will bring up this Keychain Access app, which is what I'm in. Initially, get back in it. Initially, it will bring you up in this screen. You need to switch to Secure Notes. You need to select, delete, select all these, and then just hit the delete key on your keyboard. It will delete all of these, everything in Secure Notes. Delete it. And that's where the problem file is residing. Then close this app, and then restart your machine, and you should be able to launch Premiere once again.